Hello everybody, my name is Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Now, I know I haven't been uploading for a while, but I have a very good explanation for it. Alright, now that I explained my problem, we are going to go on and talk about the cryptocurrency market, because what better time to record a video than when everything is crashing, just like when the other YouTube videos when I'm recording. We got some great news. Bitcoin 2022 just happened this past weekend. I didn't go to it because I can't afford it right now, but I'll go next year. With hopefully crypto, booms. And another thing, Robinhood just listed some additional exchange. As always with everything, make sure to do your own research, and as always, financial advice. This is currently the state of the market. Oh my goodness, everything is dropping like bananas. Bitcoin under $40,000, Ethereum just close to right at $3,000, and then Cardano's at under $1. All right. But if we take a closer look at the charts, we're going to look at Bitcoin right now at its current, kind of what it's trying to, the levels it's testing right now is that $40,000 range right here, as we can see right here on the support. And then if it stays under $40,000, then, I mean, that's not really good, We were trying to go to the moon here, guys. But I feel like it's a very important level that you guys should be looking at. $40,000 range, it's been bouncing between 40 to 45, and it's just trying to decide which way to go. But that's other than that. I wanted to talk about two Cardano Metaverse projects that I just bought some land on, and I will explain why in a bit. The first one being Pavia. Pavia is, one of the early adopters when it comes to being a Metaverse project in the Cardano space, and I bought some at the floor price of 300. Just bought a random plot of land. The reason why I bought it is if you take a look at the roadmap, I was mainly specifically waiting for their actual website to state that their final NFT land sale has actually, been confirmed, which is great because, as you know, whenever there's more supply added to, an actual project, the price tends to crash or just go down since there's more out there. And if the demand is not as high, then prices tend to fall. So that is why I invested and bought a plot of land, and I want to buy some more when I accumulate some more ADIC, because I was only able to afford one plot of land. Same thing with the next project, which I will talk about in a second. But another thing why I really wanted to buy the plot of land is because Pavia is soon implementing their Pavia token updates, as you can see from the roadmap. It's the next thing on their step-by-step process and what they want to achieve. And I feel, from other projects such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, people who received ape tokens for free, they got airdrop was because they own Bored Apes. And in this case, most of the cases, you either would own the NFT or you own the plot of land. And if Pavia's case, it would be the land. That's just my opinion, my suspicion. But, I'd rather take that risk, and then either way, I was going to invest in the project anyways. But might as well get in before they announce, the Pavia token and utilization and airdrops if they do decide to do that. Second Cardano project I wanted to talk about was BossPlanet Real Estate. So this one, same thing, around the $300 floor price range. And I bought this one as well. Only bought one because, I mean, it's all I could afford right now, guys. But I do plan on accumulating more lands and plots for both of these projects in the near future, but one and one, totally okay with that, totally fine. I'm just glad to finally have some Metaverse land. And for this one, we're going to take a look at the roadmap. As you can see right here, some of the things they've already, kind of like pinpointed and actually checked off. And they're currently working right now with content creation. They currently just invited in Manny Pacquiao to be part of the actual, collaboration as an ambassador and actually doing an NFT sale pretty soon. So that's really exciting. And just like with Pavia, they have their own Boss Cat token. And that's something where, like I said before, I feel like they're going to airdrop to, plot land owners. And they do have a second BossPlanet mint because they just dropped only their first one. They are extending this over a 5-year period. So, pay attention to that. It's kind of one of those good things that it's slowly being, pushed out. As in terms of all at once, 100,000 plots of land, because, it may take a while for a floor price to go up or people to be interested and demand being there. So I like that they're doing this spread over a period of 5 years because, the supply is really small in the beginning. Are they doing this before they announce the BossPlanet token or after? Not sure. I feel like a smart thing that they would do is they would announce the both at the same time, but they would say anybody who owns land will be airdropped. And then everybody will, obviously sell out, the second BossPlanet mint. But that's just my opinion. I'd rather just get in already if I'm going to go in. And I am planning to go on this BossPlanet mint. Hopefully I could get at mint price because I believe it's at 68 for the first drop. So it might be the same for the second one. And if you're lucky, you can get some land. But that's basically it for both of the metaverse projects I wanted to talk about. Just some new purchases that I've did. And if you're interested in any, quick updates, quick NFT, just kind of announcements or anything going on in the cryptocurrency market, make sure to check out my Twitter and Monopoly 10. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one.